Right now I'm with Alpesh Patel. He's a deal maker with UK Trade and Investment. We're going to be asking him a few questions on what was it to be at TiECon 2012 and what is the kind of response that he found with the entrepreneurs and the investors. Mr. Patel.
Well, it's been fantastic actually. I've been surprised at how many people were here for a start. We had over 1,700 registrations. Now normally you only see that out of Mumbai or Delhi, but it's great to see it in Chennai. And off the back of that, how vibrant the entrepreneurship community is here. I've been coming here for 7 years. So I've seen it grow and evolve into a really energetic group of angels, of entrepreneurs, of people with capital to invest and people looking to go global. So it's been a great time to be part of TiECon and be here in Chennai.
As a potential investor, what is that you were really expecting out of the event, and how far did you think you really got to achieve what you were looking at being an investor? Being a sponsor here at the event.
So our role really is to see companies become global companies out of the United Kingdom. We want them to continue being in India, of course, but we want them also to become globally ambitious, have a base in the United Kingdom, tap into the EU market, of which we're a part, of course, and that's been great of being here because we've seen companies willing and able to do that. And we've spoken to quite a few that I'm going to follow up with who will establish their bases in the United Kingdom as a result of meeting us. We'll help them set those up and then help them export into the EU. So that element of it is great. And of course it helps that you've got direct flights to London from Chennai as well. It makes life easier for doing business. But also once you're in the UK, of course, the ease of doing business is phenomenal in the fact that you look at any league table, we're one of the easiest countries in the world to do business.
One sign-off statement that you would want to say for entrepreneurs out of buzzing out of Chennai and TiECon 2012?
Don't limit your ambitions. Set up in one of the world's largest economies and be a part of TiE and visit UKTI as well. Those two websites will probably be all you need actually to become a global player. TiE and UKTI. Those are the two places you need to look.
Great. So that was from the UK stall. We have more coming up. Check out the next links.